with another video. As you can see by the title as well as by the box, you know that I'm doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So
this is my first new iPhone that I'm going to unbox on this channel, so enjoy. I did release an iPhone X unboxing about this year or last year, and it wasn't brand new because the phone had already been used for about 6 months, and yeah. So here's the box, it's black.
So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max in space gray. We've got the 256.
Over here we have the iPhone text, another Apple logo, and then the iPhone text here, and Apple logo on top. There.
So there's a peel tab, you don't even need scissors, so I'm just gonna peel it open. Oh my god, that was so satisfying. And here it is. Oh, the smell is so strong. So the phone is in this box. So I'm gonna lift the cover up. You guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so moving on to the phone. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna take the phone out. Okay, but look at that piece of technology. So we've got the space gray stainless steel sides. It's beautiful. The matte black as well as the triple cameras. So this is actually matte, then the logo is kind of like a glossy glass, and this is a shiny glass. So it's
And here, there's the Design by Apple in California package. I know it's getaway, but sorry. Designed by Apple in California. So we can take this up. And then you'll see what's in here. We've got a hello pamphlet. Hello, so this is like an iPhone guide, teaching you how to use an iPhone as if you don't really know how to. We've got the wonderful famous Apple stickers. Oh my gosh, I actually have one of these on my laptop. Some warranty information on 2 pieces of paper and a SIM card ejector tool. And inside the box we have the fast charger, 18-watt fast charger. Just open that. As you can see, whoa, it's USB-C. Goodbye old Apple cables. And then you can flip this open and it opens up like that. So yep, 18-watt charger. And then we have the Apple Lightning ear pods that is connected to the Lightning. And these look like AirPods, but then when you open them, they are earpods because they have the cable hidden. Smart move there. And also, there's no dongle. That came with the previous iPhones, but not the last year's ones too. So Apple's eliminating the dongle. And then we have the Lightning cable. This plugs into your phone. And then the USB-C right there. That plugs into your charging brick. That was USB-C.
So that's all that's in the box. Let's go ahead and power this on. I don't know if I'm gonna set this up because I don't have a phone to set this up yet, but here we're gonna go. Oh my god, it's huge. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's matte black. And then we have the setup page. Hola. Hello. Bonjour. And I don't know what's that. Chinese. And back to hello. So we swipe up to open, and it lets us choose our language. So I don't think I'm gonna set this up just yet, but when I do, I'll film it and share it with you guys. So that's for the first part of my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the setup video. Bye guys.